Imagine waking up every morning without fear. No fear of bills, no fear of unexpected emergencies, no fear of living paycheck to paycheck. Imagine having the power to make choices based on your dreams, not your bank balance. That power is not luck. That power is not talent. That power is called financial discipline. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most powerful habits that separates people who struggle financially from people who build freedom, security, and lasting wealth. What is financial discipline? Financial discipline is not about being cheap. It is not about never enjoying life. It is not about denying yourself happiness. Financial discipline is about control. It means controlling your spending instead of letting your spending control you. It means planning your future instead of gambling with it. It means making decisions today that protect your tomorrow. Financial discipline is choosing long-term success over short-term pleasure. Most people do not fail financially because they don't earn enough money. They fail because they do not manage the money they earn. Money without discipline disappears. Money with discipline multiplies. The reality most people avoid. Let's be honest, we live in a world that encourages spending. Advertisements tell you that happiness is one purchase away. Social media tells you that success is measured by luxury, brands, and lifestyle. But here's the truth nobody likes to talk about. Many people look rich, but they are deeply in debt. They own expensive things, but they do not own peace of mind. Financial discipline teaches you something powerful. Looking wealthy and being wealthy are two very different things. True wealth is stability. True wealth is security. True wealth is freedom. Discipline builds freedom. Many people think discipline is restrictive. They think discipline limits their life, but discipline does the opposite. Discipline creates freedom. When you control your money, you reduce stress, you create opportunities, you gain independence, you protect your family's future. Every dollar you save is not just money, it is a piece of freedom, it is a step towards security, it is a brick in the foundation of your future. The power of small, consistent choices. Financial discipline is not built overnight. It is built through small, daily decisions, choosing to save instead of overspending, choosing to budget instead of guessing, choosing to invest instead of wasting. Small habits create massive results over time. Skipping unnecessary spending today might feel small, but repeated over months and years, it becomes life-changing. Remember this powerful truth: consistency beats intensity. You don't need to become perfect with money overnight. You just need to become better every day. The emotional side of money. Money is not just mathematics. Money is emotional. People spend money when they feel stress, pressure, competition, insecurity. Financial discipline teaches emotional control. It teaches you to pause before spending. It teaches you to ask powerful questions. Do I need this? Does this help my future? Am I buying this for value or for appearance? When you master your emotions, you master your finances. The role of budgeting. Budgeting is not punishment. Budgeting is empowerment. A budget tells your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. A strong budget includes saving first, covering necessities, planning investments, allowing reasonable enjoyment. Yes, enjoyment is important. Financial discipline is about balance, not suffering. When your spending matches your goals, money becomes a tool, not a burden. Delayed gratification is the secret weapon. One of the strongest traits of financially successful people is delayed gratification. They understand a simple but powerful idea: sacrifice today creates comfort tomorrow. While others spend impulsively, disciplined individuals build assets. While others chase trends, disciplined individuals build stability. While others focus on appearance, disciplined individuals focus on progress. Delayed gratification is difficult, but it is transformational. Financial discipline protects your future. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected emergencies happen. Health challenges happen. Economic changes happen. Financial discipline prepares you for uncertainty. Emergency savings, smart investments, and controlled spending create protection. Without discipline, emergencies become disasters. With discipline, emergencies become manageable challenges. Discipline inspires generations. Financial discipline does not only change your life, it changes your family's future. Children learn by watching. When they see responsible money habits, they inherit wisdom. You are not just building savings, you are building legacy. You are teaching responsibility, patience, planning, stability. Financial discipline is one of the greatest gifts you can pass to the next generation. Overcoming financial mistakes. Everyone makes financial mistakes. Everyone overspends sometimes. Everyone learns through experience. Financial discipline is not about perfection. It's about correction. If you made mistakes in the past, learn from them. If you have debt, create a plan. If you struggled before, start again. Your financial future is not decided by your past. It is decided by your daily decisions starting now. Building financial discipline step by step. Here are simple steps anyone can begin today. 1. Track your spending honestly. 2. Create a realistic monthly budget. 3. Save a fixed percentage of income. 4. Avoid unnecessary debt. 5. Invest consistently for long-term growth. 6. Set clear financial goals. 7. Review progress regularly. Success with money is not complicated. It requires commitment, patience, and consistency. The long-term vision. Financial discipline is not about quick results. It's about lasting transformation. The rewards may feel slow in the beginning, but over time, discipline compounds. One day you will look back and realize your stress decreased, your confidence increased, your opportunities expanded, your freedom grew, and it all started with small, disciplined choices. Powerful call to action. Financial discipline is not reserved for the wealthy. It is the path to becoming financially secure. It does not require a perfect income. It requires a committed mindset. Starting today, spend with purpose, save with vision, invest with patience, plan with confidence. Because financial discipline is more than managing money, it's managing your future, it's protecting your dreams, it's creating freedom not only for yourself, but for everyone who depends on you. Your financial journey doesn't start when you earn more. It starts when you decide to become disciplined, and that decision can begin today.